Your CAT account provides access to everything you do with CAT products and services from the entire suite of CAT applications like CAT Inspect, VisionLink, SYS, Parts.cat.com, CAT Rental Store, and more. So what can you do with your CAT account? You can browse our catalog of products and service offerings, shop for parts, products, and merchandise, track your equipment, maintenance, and operations in one central place. Find and manage equipment rentals for any operation. View special financing offers, contracts, pay bills, and get rewards. Browse and set alerts for pre-owned equipment. View parts and service documentation, 3D models, and more. Get what you need wherever you are. Unlock everything you need to make the most of your CAT equipment. Visit Parts.cat.com or Cat.com to get started. One account, all of CAT.